I'm a vacuum cleaner.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Almost Some. You thought I forgot about you.
Here I is.
So this is actually episode 6. We actually have gotten to the 6th episode of Almost Some. And it's all thanks to me. Now, for some of you following, you might have noticed that I skipped last week. It's been 2 weeks since the last episode. I've just been working on several other projects, trying out some new things. I'm just taking a little bit of time to develop. But in the meantime, you should check out some of the short episodes of Almost Some More. Those are only about 2 minutes long. For all you people that have a very short attention span, which is everybody. So a lot of the so some of the projects I'm working on is top secret. I work on them and edit them, and then I don't release them. Why do I do this? For my own amusement. Now there are quite a few things that I've done in the past. Well, it's actually not that long ago. In a galaxy far, far away. There are some short media clips that I'd like to share with you people. You people. Or all you out there watching. Out there. You know, the people that are holding your phone. Phone. That's one ugly face. This one's kind of a mix. An unfinished project that I want to share with you guys. Just because it hasn't been released. That's because it never got finished. We're also having some copyright issues with it. Because of the music. So I may narrate or do a commentary over top. Let's check that out.
Yo, what's up, man? Well, we doing interviews now? Hell no, man. Well, give me a water, fool. Yeah, man, I'm just telling you, man. Crystal, man, listen. When I said water, I meant Crystal L. Don't drink no damn water. Yo, this asshole coming at you. You know, just signed with TMF Records. Check out the hit new single, available on YouTube. Smash that like button, for real.
So after doing the rap video, we decided to stay diverse and make a country one. So of course I had a spoof of this particular song, and here it is.
Ew, gross. If I can make a living off of other people's dirt, $100 or $200 couldn't hurt. Say there's no pets, smelling some urine down the wind. I can make a living cleaning carpets for some cash. Crap apartment that's smelling like ass. Picking up some signs, baiting, switching, reeling them in. Work, cleaning carpets every day. I don't care what other people say. I make all my money this way. Working, cleaning carpets every day. Early in the morning, late in the evening, I hop in the truck, take my map on the way. Work, cleaning carpets every day. My waste tank is filling up. Start to wonder if I charged enough. Packing up my truck, trying to find somewhere to dump. Love it when my helper comes along with me. Goes out the dump hose behind the tree. Putting the tools in my truck cause I'm ready to roll. Now working, cleaning carpets every day. I don't care what other people say. I make all my money this way. Working, cleaning carpets every day. Early in the morning, making the evening. I hop in the truck, catch a bus on the way. Work, cleaning carpets every day.
So to add to the mystery, there's a mystery. What is the mystery? I can't tell you. Or it wouldn't be a mystery. For those of you who have been sitting at the end of your seat, the end of your seat, it's the edge. You are on the edge of your seat. I had a career change recently and went back to custom carpentry. I really enjoy it. I also enjoy motorcycle riding. I'm doing residential stuff and commercial stuff, but it's good times and there's lots of things to see. I actually get to check things out that no one's ever seen before because it's brand new. Brand new. It's not old. Is that the same motorcycle riding? So check out some of these clips of what I actually do during the day.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Quick, let's do it. It's feedback time. We used to open letters for feedback, but then we realized that no one actually takes the time to write letters anymore. So we'll be looking online now. Here, let's see. All right, we got one comment here on the BN Productions episode. Which episode was that? That was episode 4? I can't remember. Let's see. Hey, I love this guy. He makes great content. Yeah. Okay, well, you know, there's nothing interesting to say. You either like it or you don't. Oh, wait, that was a positive one, wasn't it? Hold on. How do I get that back? Hold on. Man, that was cut off. I don't know. But if you like and comment on the video, I will read it on the next episode. As long as I can read it on the next episode. Because that's what I'll be doing. Hot diggity, it's product review time. Product review. Today's product review comes from Amazon. For those of you who've been living under a rock, Amazon is a service you can order online and it will be at your doorstep fairly promptly, unless someone steals it off your porch. So today's product review is Niños. Can anybody guess what this is? What is it? Oh, it's this. Kids Mini Earmuffs, hearing protection for kids.
Exceptional comfort, high quality, premium noise reduction, perfect for reducing noise such as football games, concerts, and fireworks shows.
So what it is ear protection for babies. Let's try it out. First you will need ear protection. Aw, ain't it cute. 10 or 12 bucks or something. Looks like they are adjustable in case your child grows. Well, it's got very soft padding on the top here. Very soft ear muffs, I guess you call them. And inside there's no speaker. That would kind of ruin the whole point of noise, huh? Let's try them on, shall we? I'm not sure if this is gonna work because they're for babies. Cue the baby. We're gonna need a baby. Bam! A baby. Alright, so we just take this baby. I'm not sure how this works because there isn't any instructions here. And we're just gonna put this on baby's head. Let's just try it, shall we? Well, it seems to fit fine. Hey baby,
Hey, hey. Pretty good. Hey, baby. Hey, can you hear me? Hey. Hello. Well, he doesn't seem to mind him, and he definitely can't hear me. See, normally he's startled fairly easily. What are you thinking about with those things on your head? So I highly recommend this product, for things. And if the baby makes noise, you should get yourself a pair also. That way you won't be able to hear the baby crying if the baby doesn't like his. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, support the channel. I'll keep making these. He seems to like it. So that's it for product review. And we appreciate you watching another episode of Almost Some. Be sure to check us out next week and some of our spin-off channels, which I'm not allowed to talk about. And that will be it. How fun was that?
Almost,
He talked.
That's alright. Hush.